lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is the Voltage Elite wig from Raquel Welch in the color shadow shade Strawberry Blonde. This is the 100% hand-tied version of their very popular Voltage wig, which is, you know, a much less expensive open-capped version of this wig. So if you like the way this one looks but you're on a budget, please consider that one as a great alternative, because this is the exact same cut, it's just the cap construction's different. This is great. Beautiful layering. I actually really love this cut. It's a great little super short, shaggy, pixie sort of cut, and the more you play with this one, the cuter she tends to look. I like to tuck some behind my ears on this one. Just kind of use your hands in this kind of way and just sort of mess it up. Don't use stiff fingers because you're not going to be able to separate the hair that well like that. You want them to be kind of loosey-goosey, like you're about to tickle a small child or something. The tickle monster is coming for you, little Billy. So let me go ahead and do a 360 now that this one's kind of fluffed up, so you can see what Voltage Elite looks like on all sides. This wig fits tight on me. All of Raquel Welch's hand-tied wigs fit very tight on my head. I have a 23.5-inch cap circumference, so this fits true to average by my estimation. In fact, it almost fits a little bit smaller than average. So I would say if you're a member of the big-headed tribe, this is not the one you're looking for. You might even want to look at the Voltage large cap. This is a great style, but yeah, it is definitely pinching my head, and because the whole thing is made of lace, you don't want it to stretch too much because then the hair will start to fall out. So this is not going to give you a whole lot of stretch or give. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off, give my head a break, and show you the cap construction. So as I mentioned, this one says it's 100% hand-tied, but as you can see here in the back, there are some tracks here in the back. But yeah, it is hand-tied about 2/3 of the way. We've got a monofilament top with a contoured lace front, and this is a shake and go, even though she's hand-tied. The lace front on this is great. It is a beautiful lace front. And this color looks great in this style. Kind of an underrated color, this shaded strawberry blonde. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. Thanks so much for watching our videos. Make sure you check out our CysterWigs 2 channel. That's like our sister station. And that channel, it basically is all about color. So if you want to learn more about what this color is all about, or any color you see on any of these reviews, check out that station too, because that's where that info lives. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.